Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ismail and I'm a 40 student at Islamabad campus. So today I come with a call and our conversation to ChatGPT and our topic is water. So first I connect to ChatGPT and then we start our conversation. Hello ChatGPT, how are you?
Hey there, I'm doing great, thank you. How about you? How's everything on your end?
Okay, today I want to talk you on a topic. How did water first come on earth? Are you ready? Sorry. My topic is water. Are you ready?
Absolutely, I'm ready. Water's origin is such a fascinating topic. We can dive into the theories about how water arrived on
Okay.
Earth, whether through
Okay.
comets.
So my first question to you is how
No,
did water first come on earth?
great question. There are a few leading theories. One popular idea is that water was delivered by comets and asteroids that bombarded the early Earth. Another theory suggests that water was present in the materials that formed the planet itself. Over time, volcanic outgassing also released water vapor, which eventually condensed into liquid water. It's a mix of these processes.
Okay, nice answer. Please give me a long and explain answer from now. So my next question to you is that what role did water play in the formation of early life?
Absolutely. Water played a crucial role in the formation of early life. It's often considered the solvent of life because it enables chemical reactions to occur more easily. In the primordial soup, water helped dissolve and transport organic molecules, allowing them to interact and form more complex structures. It also helped maintain stable temperatures and provided a medium for molecules to move around freely. Without water, the complex chemistry that eventually led to life would not have been possible. Essentially, water was the medium where life's building blocks could assemble and evolve.
Okay, nice answer. You are giving nice answer, but you are not giving a long and explain answer. So give me a long and explain answer. So my next question to you is why is water called the universal solvent? आशीर वात्सन रास्ते में जाते हो ना आइसक्रीम खाएंगे 50 50 के सारे 150 है
Got it. Let's dive deeper. Water is called the universal solvent because of its unique molecular structure and properties. Its polar nature, meaning it has a partial positive charge on one side, the hydrogen atoms, and a partial negative charge on the other, the oxygen atom, allows it to interact with a wide variety of substances.
Abdurrahman
This polarity means
go ahead
water
with the
molecules can
song
surround and stabilize ions and polar molecules, effectively
song number
dissolving
11
them. Additionally, water's ability to form hydrogen bonds is key.
ये वाला
These bonds help water
song है ये
molecules
वाला
cling to other molecules, allowing it to dissolve salts, sugars,
hello
acids, and many organic compounds. This makes it indispensable for biochemical reactions. Furthermore, water has a high heat capacity, meaning it can absorb and retain heat without significant temperature changes. This helps maintain stable environments for chemical processes. All of these factors combined make water incredibly versatile and thus the universal solvent essential for life as we know it.
Okay, nice answer. So my next question to you is how does the structure of water molecules make it essential for life? हाँ ओए तेरे वाला सॉन्ग है
Absolutely. Let's explore that. The water molecule has a bent or V-shaped structure with the oxygen atom at
अपलोड
the
कर
center and the two hydrogen atoms bonded at an angle of about 104.5
Yes.
degrees. This shape leads to a polar molecule, meaning one end is slightly negative, the oxygen side, and the other end is slightly positive. The hydrogen side, this polarity is fundamental because it allows water molecules to form hydrogen
ये both है
bonds with
both है
each
मेरे पास
other and with other substances. These hydrogen bonds give water its unique properties like
मेरा है।
high cohesion and adhesion, high surface tension, and a relatively high boiling and melting point compared to other molecules of similar size.
इर्तिज़ाम
These
फ्रेंड है।
properties are crucial for life. For instance, water's solvent abilities mean it can
सेंड कर।
dissolve a wide range of nutrients and minerals, facilitating
पैसे
biochemical
सेंड करनी है ना।
reactions. The ability of water to maintain stable temperatures helps organisms thrive by providing a consistent environment. And water's high specific heat means it can absorb heat without dramatically changing temperature, which protects living organisms from extreme temperature fluctuations. In summary, the structure of water at the molecular level is what makes it such an essential component for life, enabling countless biological processes.
Okay, nice. Okay, nice answer. So my next question to you is how okay, nice answer. So my next question to you is could life exist without water?
That's a really profound question. In short, life as we know it is fundamentally dependent on water. All known forms of life rely on water for biochemical reactions, nutrient transport, and maintaining cellular structure. Water is also essential for regulating temperature and facilitating the chemical processes that sustain life. While it's theoretically possible that life could exist in some alternative form with a different solvent like ammonia or methane, we have no confirmed examples of such life. All known life on Earth is intimately tied to water. So, in essence, a good, thriving life as we understand it is not likely without water.
Okay, nice answer. So my next question to you is what makes water different from other form of liquids in the universe? वो इससे मेरे से लेके दे देते ना मेरे पास पूरा नेदरलैंड का आता है
Great question.
कैंपेड का भी है
Water stands out in several remarkable ways. First, its unique molecular structure and polarity allow it to form strong hydrogen bonds, which leads to high surface tension, high boiling and melting points, and a liquid state over a wide range of temperatures. This is quite rare compared to other molecules of similar size. Second, water has an exceptionally high specific heat capacity, meaning it can absorb a lot of heat without a significant rise in temperature. This helps regulate climate and temperature for living organisms. Third, water exhibits anomalous expansion upon freezing. Most liquids contract when they freeze, but water expands, making ice less dense than liquid water. This is why ice floats, and it helps insulate aquatic life in cold climates. Fourth, water is a versatile solvent capable of dissolving a broad range of substances, which is essential for biochemical reactions and nutrient transport. Lastly, water's the biochemical processes that sustain life, acting as a medium for chemical reactions and helping maintain cellular homeostasis. In
Okay,
summary,
nice answer.
these
Okay, nice answer. So my next question to you is
um,
how do scientists believe water arrived on Earth from comets or volcanic activity?
great question. Scientists have explored a couple of main theories regarding how water arrived on Earth. One prominent theory is that water was delivered by comets and asteroids that bombarded the early Earth. These icy bodies traveling through space would have collided with the planet and released water as they melted upon impact. Another key theory is that water was present in the minerals and rocks that formed the Earth itself. During the planet's formation, water could have been trapped within these minerals and then released through volcanic outgassing. As the young Earth cooled, volcanic eruptions would have released water vapor into the atmosphere, which then condensed and formed oceans. In reality, it's likely a combination of both processes. The early Earth probably accumulated water from a mix of cometary and asteroid impacts, as well as from internal processes like volcanic activity. This combination would have provided the Earth with the water necessary for life to eventually develop.
Okay, nice answer. So my next question is push you. Okay, nice answer. So my next question to you is, what evidence supports?
That's a fascinating topic. There's a range of evidence supporting the idea of plate tectonics. For one, we have the matching shapes of continental coastlines, like how the east coast of South America fits with the west coast of Africa. Then there's the distribution of similar fossils and rock formations across continents that are now separated. Additionally, we have the evidence of mid-ocean ridges and the pattern of magnetic striking on the ocean floor, which shows the creation of new crust and the movement of tectonic plates. Earthquake and volcanic activity along plate boundaries also provide strong support. All these pieces of evidence together paint a consistent picture of plate tectonics.
Okay, nice answer. So my next question to you is that how does water help regulate our temperature?
Water plays a key role in temperature regulation because of its high specific heat capacity, which means it can absorb a lot of heat without a significant rise in temperature. This property allows water to act as a thermal buffer. For instance, large bodies of water like oceans and lakes can absorb heat during the day and release it slowly at night, which helps moderate temperature fluctuations. This also contributes to more stable climates and makes coastal areas milder compared to inland areas. Additionally, wadding helps regulate temperature in living organisms, maintaining homeostasis and allowing enzymes and metabolic processes to function optimally. In summary, water's regulator of temperature in both environment and living beings.
Okay, nice answer. So my next question to you is, why is water important for chemical reaction in living organism? Give me a long and explain answer.
Absolutely. Water is fundamental to chemical reactions in living organisms for several reasons. First, water is a versatile solvent due to its polarity. Its ability to dissolve a wide range of substances means that essential nutrients, ions, and molecules can easily interact and move within cells. This is crucial for biochemical reactions as it allows reactants to be properly transported and mixed. Second, water participates directly in many chemical reactions. For example, in hydrolysis reactions, wadding helps break down complex molecules into simpler ones by adding a water molecule to the bonds, effectively splitting them. On the flip side, water is also involved in condensation reactions where it is removed to form bonds between molecules, like in the synthesis of proteins and nucleic acids. Third, water's role in maintaining proper pH levels is vital. The pH of the cellular environment affects enzyme activity and metabolic pathways. Water helps buffer and stabilize pH, ensuring that enzymes function optimally. Fourth, water facilitates the transport of molecules within cells and throughout an organism. It acts as a medium for transporting nutrients, gases, and waste products, ensuring that the reactants and products of metabolic pathways are efficiently moved around. Finally, water also helps maintain the proper structure and function of biomolecules. For example, proteins and nucleic acids rely on water to maintain their three-dimensional shapes, which is essential for their biological activity. In summary, water's unique properties make it indispensable for the complex chemical processes that sustain life.
Okay, nice answer. So my next question to you is okay, nice answer. So my next question to you is how did ocean shape the evolution of Earth early life forms?
That's a fantastic question. Oceans played a pivotal role in the evolution of early life forms. First, oceans provided a stable environment that protected early organisms from harsh conditions like extreme temperatures and intense solar radiation. The water also helped maintain a relatively stable temperature thanks to its high heat capacity, which created a more hospitable environment for life to develop. Second, oceans were rich in nutrients and minerals, which were essential for the formation of complex organic molecules. These molecules could interact and evolve in the nutrient rich environment of the primordial seas. Third, the oceans were also the birthplace of the first simple life forms like prokaryotes. The water provided a medium for the first biochemical reactions, allowing simple organic compounds to come together and form more complex structures. Fourth, as life evolved, oceans provided a stable environment for diversification. The vastness of the oceans allowed different species to adapt to various niches, leading to the incredible biodiversity we see. Early marine bacteria contributed to the production of oxygen synthesis, which
Okay, nice answers.
I'm glad you found it helpful. If you have any
Okay,
more
nice answer.
questions or if
So my next question to you is what is the connection between water and the first single-celled organism?
Absolutely. The connection between water and the first single-celled organisms is fundamental. Water provided the ideal environment for these primitive life forms to form and evolve. First, water acted as a solvent, allowing organic molecules to dissolve and interact, which was essential for the chemical reactions that led to life. Second, water helped maintain a stable temperature, protecting these early organisms from extreme thermal fluctuations. Third, water provided a medium for the movement and distribution of nutrients, gases, and waste products, allowing the first cells to thrive and reproduce. Finally, the abundance of water on early Earth created a stable and protected environment, which was perfect for the emergence of life. In essence, water was the cradle of life, providing everything needed for those first single-celled organisms to form and evolve.
Sorry, ChatGPT. So my next question to you is so my next question to you is why did water cycle begin on Earth?
Great question. The water cycle on Earth began as a result of the planet's formation and the presence of water in its early environment. Initially, water was present in the materials that form the Earth, and volcanic activity released water vapor into the atmosphere over millions of years. As the planet cooled, this water vapor condensed into liquid water, forming oceans, lakes, and rivers. The continuous evaporation of water from these bodies, followed by condensation and precipitation, created a self-sustaining cycle. This cycle is crucial for distributing water across the globe, supporting life, and shaping the planet's climate and geology. Ultimately, the water cycle began as a natural consequence of Earth's formation and its dynamic geological and atmospheric processes.
Okay, nice answer. So my last question to you is, why will water always remain the foundation of life? Give me a long and explain answer.
Absolutely. Let's dive into that. Water will
What?
always remain the foundation of life for several fundamental reasons. First, water is uniquely suited as a solvent due to its polar nature. This allows it to dissolve a vast array of substances, making it essential for transporting nutrients, ions, and waste within organisms. This versatility is something no other liquid can mesh to the same extent. Second, water's high specific heat capacity means it can absorb and release heat slowly. This property helps maintain stable temperatures in the environment and within organisms, which is crucial for biochemical reactions that depend on precise conditions. Third, water is involved in a wide range of chemical reactions. It participates in both hydrolysis and condensation reactions, which are fundamental to the synthesis and breakdown of biomolecules like proteins, nucleic acids, and carbohydrates. Fourth, water helps maintain the structural integrity of biomolecules. For instance, proteins and DNA rely on water to maintain their three-dimensional shapes, which is essential for their function. Fifth, water is essential for life's adaptability. Its presence allows organisms to live in diverse environments, from deep oceans to freshwater lakes, and even in extreme conditions. This adaptability ensures that water remains central to all known life. Finally, water is abundant and renewable on Earth thanks to the continuous water cycle. This cycle ensures that water remains available to sustain life across the planet. In summary, water's unique chemical properties, its role in sustaining and regulating life, and its abundance make it an irreplaceable foundation for all known life forms. And as long as life exists, water will remain at its core.
Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thank you for conversation with me.
You're very welcome. It was a pleasure chatting with you. Allah Hafiz, and feel free to reach out anytime. Take care.
So we will. It is about today's colony. I hope you like it. For that time, I hope you like it. So meet you in today's colony. For that time, Allah Hafiz, Pakistan, Zindabad.